Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Tonight, the Real Kitchen Daddy got something simple and easy for you. It's so easy, your 12-year-old son can make it himself. And guess what? I'm gonna do that tonight because you know what happened to the Real Kitchen Daddy family? We had a big debate. We had a big debate about who's capable of making meals around here. And I said to myself, I don't want that boy to be eating fish sticks and french fries. So folks, guess what? I got one question to ask you.
What's freaking cooking?
You're right, I got the boy here. And guess what we're gonna do tonight? The boy is gonna be his first episode tonight, and he's gonna show you how you can make a simple spaghetti and meatballs in your Ninja Foodi grill, and he's gonna do it all by himself. Now, I did do a little prep work. I did a little prep work on the green peppers we're gonna have right here. So I cut up 2 cups of green peppers and onions for him, because I like that. I got some minced garlic here. We got some parsley here. We got some black pepper. We got some sea salt. Ooh, will not be spaghetti without your oregano. We got some oregano right here, and we got some tomato sauce. So it's gonna be real simple. It's gonna be real easy. And guess what? Action Jackson is gonna do it all by himself. Don't be nervous now, boy. Don't be, you on the Real Kitchen Daddy. And guess what? You're gonna learn how to cook. He gonna learn how to cook. So we're gonna start cooking. So folks, I'll see you right back in a few minutes. We'll get everything lined up for you. And Action Jackson is gonna cook his first spaghetti and meatball meal in the Ninja Foodi grill, all by himself. Be right back. Hey folks, welcome back. There's a couple things that I failed to tell you in the introduction here. One of the things that we're gonna do in the Ninja Foodi, we're gonna slow cook this sauce, okay? So this is an easy, simple recipe. We're gonna slow cook this sauce, and we're gonna cook this sauce over a length of time. So for example, moms, if you're going out for work and you could just drop your sauce in the Ninja Foodi, you could put 6 hours on a timer, and boy, oh boy, you got 2-day-old spaghetti in 1 day, because that slow cooker is gonna make sure that all these ingredients that we're gonna put in this spaghetti sauce is gonna all come together. And you know the Real Kitchen Daddy, when I say something's gonna all come together, it's gonna do what? Pop! Baby, we're gonna make this sauce pop! All this sauce is gonna do, we're gonna have the garlic, we're gonna have the parsley, we're gonna have the oregano, have the black pepper, the salt. And it's gonna all come together. Got my mouth watering right now. It's gonna come together and this sauce is gonna pop. So when you open this slow cooker up, you can do 6 hours, you can do 8 hours. When you return from work, guess what? You will open it up, you will taste it. It tastes just like 2-day-old spaghetti. You know how spaghetti is good? It's better the next day. And that's how your sauce is gonna taste. So sorry folks, I didn't mention that in the introduction, but we got it going now. So now that we got it going, I'm gonna turn this thing over to Master Jackson. Master Jackson's gonna step forward and he's gonna demonstrate how he's gonna make his sauce. Like I said, it's so easy, your 13-year-old can do it. You got it.
So first, you're gonna be putting in your tomato sauce.
I'll be your sous chef. Make sure you got it in there nice and good.
Next, put your oregano.
Oregano.
Next, you're gonna put your sea salt. Next, you're gonna put your black pepper in there. And then your parsley. And then your garlic.
Onions and green peppers. Boy, I can smell them right now. What was that, boy?
Garlic. I mean,
onions and green peppers. And folks, we got about 2 cups of onions and green peppers. Got you. And your meatballs. Then you're gonna dump in your meatballs. Dump them on in there. And actually, they're frozen meatballs too. So we didn't make any fresh meatballs. That's how simple the recipe is. You can get yourself some meatballs from Sam's Club or Costco and just drop your meatballs in there. So now we got them all in the Ninja Foodi, right? We'll stir them up. Stir your sauce up. Mix everything together. Mix all your ingredients together. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Get in there, boy. Don't be scared to mix it up. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it up real good. You want to cook for yourself one day. Boy, you've been making those girls mad. They ain't gonna be cooking for you like your sister won't cook for you either. So you gotta learn how to cook for yourself. Stir it up and get up in there. Get up in that pot. Be easy though. Don't split it out on yourself. Don't put it on the counter. All right. We got it all mixed up in there. Let me see, let me see, let me see. It's mixed up in there pretty good. You smell it? What it smell like?
Spaghetti.
Smell like spaghetti? Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Huh? You smell it? You smell the seasoning that you put in there?
Yeah.
Well, you smell like garlic, don't you, boy? Ah! Yeah, I can smell it too. Stir it up just a little bit more here. Nice and good. Nice and good. Nice and good. One thing, we're gonna, as I said, folks, we're gonna slow cook this spaghetti, okay? This spaghetti is gonna be slow cooked. It'll be slow cooked to perfection. And it's gonna give you 2 days old spaghetti in 1 day. So, we're gonna slow cook it this way. Here, you got your pressure cooker that we have. Now your pressure cooker lid. Now we're not pressure cooking it, we're gonna slow cook it. We seal it, boom, seal. Make sure that your pressure cooker is on seal, the vent is on seal. We'll seal it. We're gonna turn your pressure cooker on. We're gonna put it on slow cook. We're gonna make sure it's on high. And your time, we're gonna go tonight. We got started a little bit late. We're gonna go for 6 hours. Go for 6 hours today, okay? And you hit start. And that's all you have to do really, folks. So as you can see, you know, he could have done this. He could have put the lid on for him. He's a little nervous. It's his first time in front of the camera. He could have put the lid on if I called him. He could have made sure that the seal was on, the indicator was on seal. I could have talked him through on the slow cook, put it on high, put it on 6 hours. If I wasn't home, I could have specifically gave those instructions. But as I say, this is first time on camera. This is 13-year-old making his first dish of spaghetti and meatballs. Jackson, I think you did very well tonight. I think you demonstrated that you're gonna be a future kitchen daddy junior. No, not so much.
No.
Not so much.
No.
Not so much.
No.
Okay. But anyways, thank you very much for demonstrating that a 13-year-old can make this spaghetti recipe and get out of here. Because now, the kitchen daddy is taking back over. It's real, folks. It's really real that you can do this. It's a simple recipe. It's easy to do. You put it on in the morning. You hit the buttons. Boom, you go to work. You get back. You feed your family. A simple recipe. Don't cost that much money to make. It's in your budget, okay? So we'll be back in 6 hours and we'll show you how it came out. Hey, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Now I told you about the spaghetti. In 6 hours, it's ready. We're gonna open this and we're gonna show you what Master Jackson has created. We'll do a simple taste test. We're gonna sauce our noodles that we've already got prepared. Boy, we're hungry and we're gonna chow down. So, hey, I thank you for being on the channel. Your first time. You did a fantastic job, okay? Mm-hmm. So let's see what you created, all right? Mm-hmm. Take a look, man. You did it. What do you think? How it smells?
Good. Good.
It smells good?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, guys, you can smell the meatballs, you can smell the oregano, you can smell the garlic that we put in here. I can show you the sauce because I had 2 cups of onions and green peppers. If I show you the sauce right here, you can't even see the onions and green peppers in here. The onions and green peppers have dissolved into your sauce. That's what this Ninja Foodi would do. It will slow cook all your ingredients into the sauce. And where your sauce is gonna be like, I say it again, your sauce is gonna pop. So let's see what we're gonna do here. Let's stir this around. Hand me a couple plates here. We've been waiting for this all day long. Pile it on. Hand me that one, buddy. Thank you, sir. You having fun, Jackson?
Yeah.
Are you gonna come back to the show?
Maybe.
Maybe. What are you gonna cook when you come back to the show?
I don't know.
You don't know? Grilled cheese sandwich?
Yeah.
No, I think you're getting stuffed up on the grilled cheese sandwich. Hand me that last one there. And once again, folks, like I said, you put your sauce on in the morning time, you come back, boom, your sauce is ready. Now, it's good to use 2 containers of sauce when you do it all day long. I only use 1 container of sauce, so when I was around the house, so therefore, it didn't burn or nothing like that. So let me do this sauce. The sauce is very hot, but let me do this. Or should you want to do it? No, it's gonna be too hot. Woo! 2-day-old spaghetti, boy. In 1 day. Took you 6 hours to do it. It tastes like we made the spaghetti yesterday, and we're gonna eat it today. Okay? You hungry?
Yes.
I'm hungry. You hungry?
Yes.
Sound like you hungry. You hungry?
Yes.
I'm hungry. Folks, once again, I put all the ingredients in the description. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We're hungry, so we gotta eat. So until next time, bon appetit. Peace.